Meaning of demonstrably.
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 Demonstrably. The word demonstrably means that something can be clearly proven or shown with evidence. It is often used in discussions or arguments to indicate that there is concrete proof to support a particular claim or assertion. For example, if someone says that a certain medicine is effective, they might use the word demonstrably to convey that there is scientific data or clinical trials that prove this. Essentially, demonstrably implies a higher level of certainty and credibility than just making an unsupported statement or assumption.